Now, from your weather authority, meteorologist Cody Bailey.
Well, it's been a pretty quiet, at least calmer day for most of the tri-state. And we'll say most because some of you, that was not the case. A lot of heavy rainfall in some locations. Even within, for example, the city of Evansville, you had some locations at times downtown or the east side that stayed dry. Others on the west side, heavy downpour and vice versa. So very hit and miss. And we still have a few of those showers outside right now, primarily across the southern tier of the tri-state, south of the river across western Kentucky. But we'll put this into motion. Doppler radar shows a little bit of rain activity still north of the river. We got a little bit of a lighter to at times steadier rains across parts of Vanderburgh and Warwick counties. Another little batch coming out of White County near New Haven, Illinois. But again, the heavier activity once again, just like yesterday, almost in the same areas as well, especially northern Hopkins County. That area had the bullseye yesterday of over 2 inches of rain. This is moving a little bit faster, not quite as big of a cell as what we had at times yesterday as well. A little bit of rain now exiting far southern Muhlenberg County. Another batch now crossing the Davis, Ohio County line. And then to get up to the north, a couple of areas of maybe more moderate rain. Again, just about to move into the New Haven, Illinois area, crossing the Wabash into really the rural areas, kind of the bottoms of the rivers there in southwestern Posey County, and a little bit of steadier rain pushing through Boonville, the Chandler area, approaching Newburgh, Yankeetown, and maybe into the Hatfield area there, southwestern Spencer County. But all in all, not overly widespread rain yet again. And again, the totals map looks pretty similar to yesterday, where the rain has fallen today. Now, officially, at least so far, we'll have the final almanac for Evansville coming in later tonight, but a trace of precipitation. While it did rain in Evansville today, again, we're looking at measurable precipitation, so at least a tenth of an inch at least, or at least a couple hundredths of an inch. That was not the case, at least as of now, so that would extend the dry spell technically. Again, even though it did rain in Evansville, at the airport only picking up a trace, that's not necessarily measurable precipitation. So it looks like our streak, which is currently at 15 days, may extend to 16. And if that final almanac holds, again, no rain in the forecast for the next several days. But we'll show you that extended forecast, because once we clear out and dry out tonight, like what we're seeing on the west side right now from USI, we have a beautiful evening and a beautiful work week on the way. The island, the pump out, really taking shape today. The work's still going on from the Corps of Engineers, and a lot of boaters out there as well. Not too bad of a day if you can dodge the rain. Thankfully, no lightning with the showers. So that's a view of our downtown Evansville tower camera zoomed in on the pump out there, which I'm sure with the beautiful weather this week will be a popular destination for boaters in the Evansville metro area. On the east, or on downtown rather, looking out towards the east from downtown Owensboro, our Bill Morgan Roofing and Construction tower camera showing us dark clouds off into the distance, with that rain pushing through, again, southeast of Owensboro, crossing into northern Ohio County as well. That match starts to push to the southeast. But temperatures, a mixed bag, where it's warmer up in clear air, at least. Princeton, 85. 72, though, with the rain moving through the Greenville area. So a big spread in temperatures, I think, will even out in those locations. Pretty impressive as well. 15 or more degrees colder right now than this time yesterday, where we had those warmer conditions across the tri-state. But here's the bigger picture. Storm Tracker shows if you're not seeing the rain, like I mentioned, a good amount of sunshine, and we should stay clear through tonight, and high pressure is going to settle in and keep most of the region clear and dry for the next several days. Our next chance of rain not looking like at the earliest next week, Saturday. So a very calm, very quiet pattern out towards the northeast. There's what's left of our upper level disturbance that's providing this moisture spitting to the southeast. That'll move to the east tonight and tomorrow. And then we'll be basically right under an area of high pressure that's going to block this moisture to the west, and that moisture moving to the east. So again, high pressure will keep us dry, quiet. We'll be on the cooler end of the high for the next couple of days, and then we get on the warm side, pumping in that warmer southerly air by the second half of the week, but still not humid. Humidity doesn't look to be an issue for the next several days as well. So very good news, and a taste of autumn air as well, with highs, especially on Tuesday, struggling to get out of the 70s, low temperatures down into the 50s for the first half of the week as well. So good amount of sunshine tomorrow. Same story Tuesday, no threat of rain. We'll be a little on the windy side for our Monday. Other than that, though, very calm and very quiet. And here's your 7-day forecast that I think we'll all kind of breathe a sigh of relief. No humidity, no rain chances either. We do, again, get on the warm side around or above 90 degrees by the end of the week. and into next weekend. But again, the key difference, no humidity and maybe a few chances of showers isolated at least what it looks like right now, Hannah, for Sunday and Sunday afternoon of next weekend.